dancing plant? That's Snowball. Dancing bird.
Yeah, Snowball has
Snowball is
definitely got the
definitely
lead.
it.
Now, Snowball at the very end, if you don't ever,
Yeah,
if you
he's
go
really
there,
resting his breath.
if you go at the end, he does at the very end of the song, he does what they call headbanging, which is he keeps playing with the top of his head with his chest up, and he bangs his head like this, which is amazing to see.
Oh, he's totally dancing.
I know. Go see Snowball on Dancing Bird. You just want to say hello to people. There he is. See the head banging? See that? See that? Oh my God. He's a rock and roll bird. So,
That was fun, wasn't it?
that's your buddy. So I haven't quite figured out whether this is the right, like how I'm doing when I do this, because we have a bigger screen. Usually I've always held it here, and then he'll dance on my leg and stuff. But there's so many people here, and he really likes people better than Snowball probably. So he said hello to everybody.
Yes, he did.
He's very friendly. He says a very good boy. He's a good boy. What a good boy. And what really also encourages him when, a lot of birds get reinforced here for negative behavior because if somebody suddenly gives a really loud outburst, like Ara, if she were in her cage, was screaming her head off, then everybody turns and looks, and teeth go up, and laughter and heightened energy, which makes her do it more. So when you want a bird, hello. When you want a bird not to, what you do is turn your back, walk away, lower your energy, no eye contact. What are you doing? Wow. Headbanging. Headbanging.
Reinforcing.
Snowball did that? Headbanging. That's called headbanging. That's dancing. There's the dancing. Good boy. How are you doing? He said. How are you doing?
Is that him laughing?
So you're a
Oh
silly
my
boy.
gosh, he's hilarious.
You have to email it. Okay. So I'm not quite sure how we're gonna do the dancing thing and how we're gonna do the